Hello dear students, I welcome you to my channel Easy English Education. I am your English teacher Ms. Rachna Chakraborty and today I am going to start the second book of your syllabus, Footprints Without Feet. This is the second book. Already I have taught you the chapters from the book First Flight. Now, this is the first chapter. Today we will be learning about a triumph of surgery. This chapter has been written by Mr. James Harriet, who was a veterinary doctor. So, when you hear the word surgery, what kind of impression do you have in your mind? It's an operation. Nobody wants to really undergo an operation. Now, let's meet the three characters. The first is Tricky, a very fat dog. You can see in this picture, very fat dog. And the next we have a doctor. His name is James Harriet. He is the writer of this chapter and he is a veterinary doctor, the one who treats animals. So Mr. James Harriet has written this chapter that how he treated a dog. Now the third picture is of a rich lady who overfed her dog and the result a very fat dog was there. Now let's have some information about Tricky the dog. Tricky was a small dog and was excessively loved by his mistress, Mrs. Pamphray. He was greedy and loved food, but no exercise, and the result, he became so fat, and Mrs. Pamphray thought that it was the result of malnutrition. Do you think he was not malnutritious or overfed? Now, this is a story of a dog, Tricky, who was overfed and overindulged by his rich and loving mistress, Mrs. Pamphray. Mrs. Pamphray shared that what all things were given to Tricky by her, which all things the food items were given. She used to give him a ball of Horlicks, malt, and rich tasty cream cake and chocolates, all yummy food. But these are the fatty foods given to him. All fast food and food items, and the result, very fat dog. Tricky became so fat, his tongue loosely hanging out of his mouth and very much bloodshot eyes and very fat figure. He was listless. No energy was there in his body. He was without any exercise. So finally Dr. James Harriet decided to treat him. So what did he do? He decided that the dog should be taken to the hospital, the dog's hospital. So finally he told that if he would take the dog for a fortnight means a period of 2 weeks, so he would be taken. But Mrs. Pamphray was very much sad and upset seeing the dog going. So what all things she did? She put all the things that were used by Tricky, the cushions, the toys, the bed, the bowls, everything she kept in the car of James Harriet so that he should be using it there. Tricky was also feeling very sad. But Mr. James Harriet took him to the hospital and then he was given a box, very loose box, and he was only given water. Remember what he was given as food? No food. Only water was given to him. And he kept on drinking water whenever he felt hungry. And after few days he started taking interest in his surrounding and started playing games with the other dogs who were there. So finally he was taking interest in the physical activities. He played a lot with the dogs who all were there, and this way he lost his weight, extra weight. And this way he felt very much energetic. He was no longer listless now. He was very happy. He was living his life to the fullest. Now in between, the duration of fortnight means 2 weeks, Mrs. Pamphray sent eggs, some brandy, that is a kind of wine, all these things to feed the dog, Tricky, so that he should get the energy. But do you think it was all given to Tricky? No. It was all enjoyed by James Harriet and his friends. So finally Tricky was brought back to his mistress, Mrs. Pamphray. And Mrs. Pamphray was so happy to see the recovered Tricky, the dog. He was very energetic and completely recovered. He was quite hale and hearty now. Mrs. Pamphre believed that it was the result of the surgery. Now some key points. Tricky was a small dog. Already I have told you that Mrs. Pamphre she loved, and the result overfeeding, that he became very much fat. But Mrs. Pamphre thought it was the result of malnutrition. Mrs. Pamphre was a wealthy woman. She loved the dog too much, and she gave little extras between meals of build up like malt, cod liver oil, Horlicks, and all these things were given. And finally, after the treatment, what type of treatment was there? He was completely recovered and transformed into a hard, muscled dog. James Harriet treated the dog without medicine or surgery, only with water and exercise. I hope you have understood the chapter and you have understood the real hidden meaning inside. You should also take healthy food and you should go for some exercise. You should daily go for some workout. Thank you so much for patiently listening to me. Thank you.